Transport Group Piston is determined to finish its 3-day strike strong as they prepare a large protest in Medjola on Wednesday.
Direct na i-restore natin kay BBM na makialam na siya dito sa kinakaharap ng sektor ng transportasyon dito sa ating bansa. At ito ay pansamantala nating tatapusin bukas, pero maghahanda tayo sa masusunod na mga pagkilos pa kapag hindi nila ibinigay yung ating kahingian.
On Monday, LTFRB Chairman Chofi Loguadis met with Piston President Modi Floranda, and he expressed preparedness to grant 3 of the 4 demands of the transport group. Removal of LTFRB imposed penalties to operators in relation to the renewal of their vehicle registration, 5-year validity of individual franchises, and reviewing the omnibus franchising guidelines. But the consolidation requirement under the PUV modernization program is non-negotiable.
Yung concerns po ng Piston, we believe, yan na po yung concern ng mga naiiwang porsyento ng transport group. Marami na ho yun. Marami na hong in-adjust ang LTFRB at ang gobyerno para lang po may sakatuparan yung PUVMP at nakasalalay po yung safety ng mga pasahero dito.
Maglabas sila ng isang malinaw na panuntunan ng kanilang programa. Kasi ang kailangan lang naman dito, ano yung kasiguraduhan ng ating mga operator.
The LTFRB also announced that the dialogue with Piston is set to resume Tuesday afternoon, something that Floranda denied.
Ang pangako po ni Chairman Guadis mamaya, literal pong iisa-isahin kung alin po dun sa mga guidelines. Unlike na po nung nangyari dun po sa reklamo nila last October na inilatag na lang daw ho sa kanila yung revised guidelines.
Wala kaming kaisahan ni Chairman na mag-uusap ngayong araw.
The LTFRB says their only condition is for the protesting operators and drivers to participate in the government's PUV modernization program. But Piston is firm. It's unlikely for them to join any consolidation efforts as they fight for their individual franchises.
Pag pumasok nga tayo sa consolidation, ay pag-surrender ito ng prangkisa ng ating mga operator. Paano kung sa panahon na pumasok sa consolidation ay hindi ka rin naman maaprubahan? Ano yung maging kabuhayan ng mga operator at mga driver?
As Piston ends its transport holiday, Transport Group Manibela is set to start its 3-day strike.
Hindi lamang po dito sa NCR, sa buong Pilipinas, nationwide po itong gaganapin namin. Ang Manibela ay magtitigil pasada bilang tugon doon sa ating hinaing na hindi po binibigyang pansin ng DOTR at ng LTFRB. Sama-sama na po kami simula bukas hanggang Biyernes.
Piston supports Manibela's strike and will ask their members if they are still willing to participate. George Cahiles, CNN Philippines.